Hello guys, this is Gagan Gupta, and in this particular video we will be learning how we can create a donut chart in Tableau. So first of all you need to connect your Tableau with a dataset first. So I've already connected to a dataset, that is sample superstore data. Now you will see in measures you will always find number of records. So whatever dataset you gets connected to, you will always find this measure over there. So you need to pick this measure and put it two times in rows. So just pick it and put it over here. Number of records in rows, and again number of records in rows. So the concept is you need to create two pie charts and put it on each other, and need to make it look like a donut. So just put number of records two times over here. Now convert this measure to a maximum. So go to measure and just instead of sum just make it maximum. Now go to the second one and make it maximum as well. Maximum. So here are two bars. You need to convert these two bars into a pie chart. So go to the first mark, that is for this maximum number of records, and convert it to a pie chart. Now go to the second one and convert it as well into a pie chart. Now let's make it a bit bigger. Go to this place and click entire view. So it looks nice now, and let's just increase the size of the first pie chart. So what you need to do is go to the first mark and increase its size like this. Now go to the second mark and increase its size as well, but don't increase its size in a way that it gets bigger than the first one. Now what we need to do is we need to pick this pie chart and put it on this. So what we can do is we can just go to the second maximum number of records and convert it into a dual axis chart. So now both the pie charts are on each other. So this is my first pie chart and this one is second pie chart. So what you need to do now is just convert the color of the second pie chart to a white color. So go to colors and make it white. So it will look like a donut. Now you can show your data sets, your dimensions or insights over here. So what you can do, suppose I want to see the bifurcation segment wise, just pick segment and put it in colors. Or first mark, go to first mark and put it in colors, segment into colors, because we will be showing colors in the first pivot, sorry, first pie chart. So this is the segment and I want to label the segments as well. So segment into label. Now we can put sales into labels and convert the labels. We can convert the total sales into percentage format. So you need to go to sum of sales into labels and go to quick table calculation and then percent of total. So guys, this is a donut chart that is very much simple, and you can easily create it. Let's create it again so that you can easily understand, guys. So I'm just clearing it off. So what you need to do is just put number of records two times over here. Number of records, make it maximum, measure maximum, this one as well, maximum. Convert both the charts into pie chart. So go to first mark, pie chart, the second one, pie chart, make it a little bigger, entire view. Now increase the size of the first pie chart. So increase its size, sorry, so it's happening for both the pie charts. You need to go to first mark and increase the size of the first pie chart. Now go to the second one, increase its size as well and make its color white. Now you need to put it on the first pie chart. So go to second maximum number of records and go to dual axis. You can reduce the size of the second pie chart, so we can just reduce its size to make it look better. So this is the pie charts, and if you want to show something over here in the pie chart, then go to the first mark and use your dimensions. Suppose I want to show subcategory wise sales, so just pick subcategory and put it into colors, and then subcategory into labels, and we can show sales. And if you want to show it percentage wise, go to sum of sales, quick table calculation, percent of total. So this is how it is. So guys, this is called donut chart. So donut chart is nothing, just two pie charts and a combination of two pie charts. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.